Okay, guys, so page 183, you need to complete mid-topic checkpoint, okay? And on Classera, I am putting you online assignment to complete mid-topic checkpoint, but another kind. So this is you need to complete in your books. Question number 1, how can you determine whether a relation is a function? And we were learning that relation is a function when each input has exactly one output. So you're just writing this. I can check that each input, or on the graph it's x value, okay, has exactly one output, or y value. This is the rules that you need to be able to tell me also, okay, and that's why I want you to write it. Okay, so number 2, you can see the arrow diagram, okay, and the question is, can an arrow or arrows be drawn from 10.3? So the relation in the diagram is function. Okay, if we draw any line, for example, like this, is it function? Yes, it's function because 10.3 has only one output, okay? And it doesn't matter that 7 here is twice because 7.2 has only one output, okay? So the point is in one output. So we are writing yes. Actually, the arrow from 10.3 to any output makes a function. Okay? Next, number 3. Two linear functions are shown below. Which function has the greater rate of change? Rate of change. Justify your response. So again, that rate of change, you remember that this is the slope. How to find the slope? It rise over run, and also you know the formula. Okay, so we are going to find out from this using the formula. In function b, when you see the equation, it's easy peasy because you already see that rate of change. Okay, so and we can write that in function b, the slope, and this is the same like rate of change, the slope is 1/2. You can see this from the formula, okay? Okay, to find it in function b, in function a, sorry, to find it in function a, let's take 2 points and use a formula. Okay, to find it in function a, let's take 2 points and use a formula. Okay, let me see what points can I take. I think I take 2 and 3 like this, okay? And I think I take 3 and 6. Okay, can you see? Okay, now we need to find our rise and our run. We can use that formula, okay? Three minus 2, 6 minus 3. Actually, rise, you can see that rise is only 1. Yes. And run is 1, 2, 3. Run is 1, 2, 3. So the slope here is 1/3. Now we compare. 1/3 is less than 1/2. So function B okay, has a greater rate of change. Okay, now you may stop the video and complete it in your books. Okay, next let's go to number 4. Okay, she took 3 tests. Okay, the number of hours he spent studying for each test and the corresponding grades are shown in the table. In the relation of hours to grades, okay, can we see that this is function or no? Okay, let us see. So even looking at the table, we can see that we have input 6, and that input 6 has 2 different outputs, okay? That means that this is not a function. Okay, I'm writing it's not a function. Because input 6, one input 6, okay, has 2 outputs, 75 and 82. And even if we put those dots on the graph, okay, we can see that, for example, like 4 hours, it's going to be 75. 6 hours is going to be also 75, and 6 hours is going to be 82. So you can see even on the graph this. That means that this is not a function, okay? And number 5, easy peasy, is the function shown linear or non-linear. Of course, if you cannot see the straight line, of course, it's non-linear. That's it, okay? So let us write this. The function is non-linear because the graph is not a straight line. Okay? So this is with mid-check point, mid-topic checkpoint, sorry. Okay? This is what is to be written in your books.